Pin High is a modern 3-bedroom duplex very close to the golf course at Blackheath and approximately 1 kilometer to the center of town. It offers basic accommodation with no frills at a very reasonable price. There is a large wall heater in the living area, comfy lounges, a TV and DVD player. The dining area and kitchen is well equipped with all of the basics, including an electric stove with oven, microwave, kettle and toaster. Crockery, cutlery and cooking utensils are provided. The main bedroom has a double bed, while the other 2 bedrooms have 2 singles each. Linen and towels for 6 people are supplied. There is a family bathroom with shower and bathtub. The laundry is accessible from the attached garage, and has a washing machine and dryer.
You can book this property 24/7 at www.bluemountainsgetaways.com.